We actually have a medical mission with PMA New England in Calibo, and with a community affected by a specific disorder. I'm blanking on the
When is this?
disorder. This is next week. Well,
Okay.
January 13 to January 19 will be in Calibo. But this is just the beginning of the service we will be doing. Our main goal for 2021, 2022 has been to begin by engaging Filipinos and Filipino-Americans across the community. That has been our primary goal with all of our events since last year and this year. But we are hoping that through this service trip, we'll gather more insights about the issues important to Filipinos, and also hear from them on what the potential solutions should be, and hear about the issues through their lens. And that way we can discuss for ourselves how we may take action to help them with those